In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva newsletter into an email, an essential skill for effective communication and marketing. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you need to have your newsletter design ready in Canva. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the share button. Click on it to open up a variety of options for distributing your work. Here's where things get interesting. You want to save your design in a format that works well for emails. To do this, click on the download option. In the download settings, you'll see a choice for file types. Make sure you select PNG as your file type. PNG files offer a good balance of quality and file size, which is perfect for embedding in emails. After selecting PNG, go ahead and click download. This will save the image to your device, and we're one step closer to integrating this into your email. Now, head back to Canva and click on Share again. This time, instead of downloading the design, find the Public View Link option, click on it, then proceed to create Public View Link. Once the link is generated, make sure to click Copy to ensure the link is securely stored in your clipboard. This link enables your email recipients to view the newsletter directly in Canva, should they wish to explore it in more detail. Our next mission takes us to Gmail. Open your Gmail account and click on Compose to start a new email. Here you'll want to input who you're sending this to and of course a captivating subject line that entices your reader to open the email. With the basics in place, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window and click the Insert Photo icon. Once you're there, select Upload, which will allow you to browse your device. Choose the PNG file you just downloaded and insert it into your mail. Now, while the image is great, we want it to be interactive. Click on the Insert Link icon within the email window. This will open a dialog where you can paste the Canva link you copied earlier. Pasting this link will transform your static image into a clickable one. Finally, hit Apply to finalize this step. And there you have it, your Canva newsletter is now embedded within your email, fully clickable and ready to capture your audience's attention. Remember, this process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your emails, but also offers an interactive experience for the recipient. Whether you're sharing updates, promotions, or any exciting news, embedding your Canva design this way is both practical and visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.